Okay, we're talking about the vowels and the different sounds that they make, right? Vowels come in every word and they make a couple of different sounds. So it's important to know what all they can say so that when we come to the vowels and words, we know what to try, right? Now, let's talk about the letter U. Really only 3 sounds that the letter U can make. Our most common, right, is our short vowel, right? We see this in words like cup or under or umbrella. We hear that sound twice, right? Umbrella. So look for the short vowel. We see it all the time. The other sound, most common, is the long vowel. Now, here's where the letter U gets tricky. The long vowel can say 2 different things, right? It can say you, like the letter name, you, or it can say ooh. When it says you, sometimes we get confused and we think there's a Y in words where there isn't one, right? In words like cute or cube, it sounds like there's a Y, but it's just Mr. U. Or he can say ooh. So already, the letter U already sort of has 3 sounds, and ooh or you. Let's look at the times when we see Mr. U. We see Mr. U in words that have magic E on the end, like cute or huge. We hear that Mr. U sound. We also hear Mr. U in words that have 2 vowels out walking. Usually we see that as Mr. U and Mr. E together. Here in words like blue or glue or rescue, we see those 2 vowels together and we hear Mr. U making his sound. So know that you can make a few different sounds, right? U or ooh, and then as we learned last week, when Uppy Umbrella gets captured by a robot, he says she says excuse me. This is urgent and together these 2 letters say So we've got U and in words like fur or turkey or burger or purple, where we hear that sound, U-R. So 3 ways we can hear the letter U. These are the most common. Sometimes the letter U is silent, or the letter U gets used a lot just to be next to Quarrelsome Queen to help her make her qua sound. So we see the letter U a lot. It's usually making one of these 3 sounds, but sometimes it's just there to support Quarrelsome Queen. So know that too. Your task for this week is to find these 3 sounds in your books. If you can't find them, make them up. Come up with a word for each of the different sounds, right? So a word like cup or cub or hug. Here, a word like cube, but also a word like unicorn, right? Has that U sound at the beginning. And here, for you are turkey, surf, burger, all words that have that sound, urgent. So be thinking of words, come up with words that start or have these sounds in them, 3 different words that have the sounds, and let me know what you come up with. I can't wait to see what you've got. Good luck.